What's up, my friends? Today we'll learn the ancient Greek art of persuasion, also known as ethos, pathos, logos. Correct me on the origin of these things. I really don't know. मेरे को उनका practical aspect आता है कैसे उसको implement करते हैं. Let's say I'm fumbling, right? And you don't like me too much. If I accept the fact कि यार मैं fumble कर रहा हूँ बोलते हुए, and you know, because I have a certain something condition, suddenly you'd be like, that makes me more likable because I'm being authentic, being real, right? In that case, मेरा character दिख रहा है. I'm winning by morality, by showing my true colors कि यार मैं तो ऐसा हूँ, I'm fucked up in this way, and you like me because of that, right? मैं example दे रहा हूँ. That's my ethos, right? Ethos is basically how my character, मेरी likability, मेरी credibility, मेरी believability, उसके माध्यम से मैं कैसे तुम्हें persuade कर सकता हूँ, right? So, classic example. I have a hunch कि जो इंडिया के अंदर पोलियो खत्म करने का कैंपेन था इतना सक्सेसफुल ना होता अगर अमिताभ बच्चन उसका ब्रांड एम्बेसडर ना होता. And the reason I say that is because he's the most respected actor in Bollywood, right? Everyone just fucking loves him. If they don't love him, they at least respect him because he's been around forever and he's been the quote unquote veteran king of Bollywood for so long, right? And because you know he hasn't had too many public shams, he hasn't said too many impolite statements. Generally, उसकी image इतनी clean है. He's loved so much, right? Public sentiment उसका तब बहुत ज़्यादा attach हो गया था when he almost died during the filming of Coolie or I forget which movie, right? But the point ये है कि because his ethos is so strong, because he's so likable, he's so credible, right? The son of a poet, उसकी हिंदी में भी command है, right? So whenever he says something about an issue that has nothing to do with what he is, right? We listen because we like him. Amitabh Bachchan works on ethos, right? अब बिल्कुल उधर का उदाहरण लेते हैं. This is ethos, right? Where your character does the persuasion for you. एक और एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं जेफ बेजोस का. कोई ऐसे बात करता है जेफ बेजोस अच्छा आदमी है, या इज अ जनरस मैन? नो, वी टॉक अबाउट द फैक्ट कि जेफ बेजोस इज Amazon. And what is Amazon? Amazon is strictly cold hard facts, evidence, numbers, stats, logic, right? Rational. ये सारी चीजें होती है, right? That's the logos. What is the logos? The logos is the argument itself. हमारे 10,000 वेंडर हैं, हमारे 70% बायर्स हैं, राइट? हमारी कंपनी दुनिया की सेकंड बिगेस्ट कंपनी है, राइट? सो एंड यू आइडेंटिफाई पैटर्न्स इन दैट. यू विन बाय द आर्ग्यूमेंट इटसेल्फ. यू परसुएड बाय सेइंग कि देखो ऐसी बात है, ये 28वां वीडियो है, मैं 30 वीडियो बना चुका हूँ और अगले 2 वीडियोस के अंदर 70% ग्रोथ होने वाली है, राइट? सो आई एम जस्ट यूजिंग स्टैट्स एक्सेसिवली, बट यू गेट द आइडिया. यहाँ पे हम कैरेक्टर की बात नहीं कर रहे. यहाँ पे if I, as a speaker or writer, am either unknown, unlikable, I can still get my job done by simply presenting cold, hard facts about my company, my argument, or the reality of nature itself, right? Kuch bhi, right? So ethos ho gaya is your character, right? Your likability, your credibility. Logos ho gaya jo argument hai, logic, reason, facts, right? What is pathos? Pathos is my favorite. It's creating an emotional response using storytelling. Pathos is all about putting you, the listener or the reader, in a certain frame of mind. Writers do it very well, films do it really well, where if I want to make you empathize with child soldiers in Africa, I will play a movie where someone like you is going through war-torn Africa और तुम देख रहे हो कितनी बर्बादी हो गई है. I win by painting a visual scenario of what famine or death or child soldier tragedies look like, and then you're in that zone where you're like, ab mere ko donate karna hai, or I'm emotionally inspired by it, right? So this is where pathos comes in. You put the listener or reader in a certain frame of mind where they get emotionally appeal. मतलब वो फिर emotional appeal के through सुनना शुरू कर देते हैं. Ethos, character, pathos, emotional appeal वाली कहानी, और logos हो गया cold hard facts. तीनों के triangle को combine करो. See how your speeches and your writing becomes undefeatable. चलो एक दो example दे देता हूँ. Someone who spouts hate in the public eye, right? How do they do it? They will often compare someone they want to hate on. मान लो अगर एक majority एक minority को oppress कर रही है, they will compare the thing that they want other people to hate to something that everyone unanimously hates. So for instance, किसी को भी मक्खी पसंद नहीं है, मक्खी परेशान करती है, right? तो वो बोलेंगे ये सारी मक्खियाँ हैं, ये जितने लोग हैं ना ये मक्खियाँ हैं, right? Immediately what that does is it creates a scenario, right? And it creates an emotional appeal where the person you want to hate, the minority in this case, becomes this makhi, right? और उससे होगा क्या? You are put in a certain frame of mind of hate, right? तो you're inspired by emotion to think about this person in this light. That is classic pathos. Pathos is it's all about putting you in a certain frame of mind to make emotional decisions by using emotional appeal, by stories, right? That's pathos. Logos का क्या होगा? हमने एक Jeff Bezos का example use करा था, right? Another example you could use is, if you're not the most charismatic speaker, you still have cold, hard facts. You still have graphs, stats, right? You can use them to your advantage. And then finally, ethos is, look, if this message comes to you through me, because you've been seeing me on the screen a lot or whatever, right? Or because you think I'm credible in certain aspects, you can make the writing videos banaya, right? So if I go and say, go and check out this book, you'd be more likely to check that out than if some random stranger on the street approaches you and says, "Ye kitab padho," right? Because I built some sort of credibility. I have ethos in my argument, right? Because I don't know, maybe you like me, maybe you don't like me. Irrespective, there is some credibility established by the fact that you're my viewer and you're watching this channel, right? So there is credibility. So that's where ethos works for me. Ethos is character. Pathos is all about creating an emotional appeal using stories, putting you in a certain frame of mind. And then logos is cold, hard facts, logic, rationale, intellect. Ethos, pathos, logos ka triangle batao and let me know how it works for you. Put in the comments if you've understood this. If not, then, well, fuck you, too bad. I don't know, I think it's pretty straightforward. And then of course, see you tomorrow and subscribe karna mat bhulna. Bye-bye.